TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another work from home job lead. As always, all the job leads that I share are linked down in the description box below. And if you find any of these helpful, please help me out by liking this video and sharing with your friends and family. And also feel free to comment down below anything specific that you're looking for, because I am always reading that and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. But this one today is again in the healthcare field. It may require some phone work, picking up the phone and making some outbound phone calls, but it is not a call center phone type job. So let's just dive on into it. The healthcare company CareCentrix is hiring a patient services coordinator. Now, this is remote for United States folks only. The pay range is $17 an hour to $22 an hour, and they are offering a $1,000 sign-on bonus to get started. But what they're looking for is they're looking for someone to be responsible for tracking and monitoring the turnaround times to ensure the service requirements are met. You'll participate in collection and documentation required to manage patient cases of care from beginning to end. So you'll provide focused resolution support and information to patients. You'll manage cases and request for services in a timely and accurate manner. You'll collect, verify, and confirm non-clinical information and escalate any issues as needed. And you'll also negotiate with providers as needed. So a lot of this is going to be non-phone paperwork, but it will require reaching out, working with providers. Sometimes that's done over email internally, but then you will have to reach out to patients and provide them with additional information. That may be the point that you have to pick up the phone and make an outbound phone call to the patient. Now, they do not require any college degree. However, they do require a high school diploma or GED. They want someone who has at least 2 years of experience of either customer service, business operations, insurance, quality improvement, or healthcare operations experience. So you do not have to have any actual healthcare experience as long as you have some customer service background. Again, they want someone who can work with Microsoft Office computer applications. They want someone who is fun to work with and likes help solving problems. Again, they say starting pay is $17 an hour and plus incentive bonus opportunities, and it says the pay range goes up to $22 an hour because it reflects future growth, so you can get periodic raises until you get to that $22 an hour. They also offer a benefit package such as health, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I hope you have a fabulous weekend, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.